Hi people, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for tuning into today's video. So today we are going to be installing a frontal into like the trending Lagos hairline. So this frontal this week she has actually installed it previously like years ago, and the way they actually trim the lace in front is totally different from the way we trim lace at this point or at this time or this year. So yeah, I'm going to be transforming the lace in front just to kind of give us this Lagos hairline kind of look. So I would advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. So if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below, and properly watch this video because you will learn the trimming. I didn't cut out any parts, I just filmed everything and uploaded it like that. So just watch so that you will understand and able to learn from this video on how to do the Lagos hairline look.